Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make prawn broth. Start by saving shells and heads from fresh prawns and rinsing them gently. Heat a tablespoon of oil and toast shells briefly until aromatic but not burned. Add cold water, onion, carrot, celery, a bay leaf, and 5 crushed peppercorns. Simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes and skim occasionally for a clean, bright broth ready for soups or sauces. Control heat to coax the best flavors without bitterness. Toast shells for depth, then deglaze with a splash of white wine or a small tomato piece to add acidity. Use 1 bay leaf and 5 peppercorns for subtle spice and never oversalt during simmering. Taste near the end and adjust with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon to sharpen the broth and make it sing in any dish you serve. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that keeps your ride pleasant between trips to the market. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if you want a small joy on the road. Now let's get back to the video. Cool prawn broth quickly and store safely to extend its usefulness in the kitchen. Pour into shallow containers to chill in the refrigerator within 2 hours and use within 3 days, or freeze in portions for convenient single servings. Frozen cubes are great for boosting sauces or risottos. This broth makes excellent ramen, bisque, or a savory base for steaming shellfish, and brings consistent seafood flavor to many recipes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.